Welcome to Dots and Squiggles for practical help with punctuation. In this video, we'll sort out the apostrophe with an easy rule, the only rule you'll ever need for this tricksy mark. The apostrophe is a hook that warns the reader that the S at the end of a word that could continue as how the doctors treat or how doctors respond actually warns the reader that it will be the doctor's something belonging to or used by the doctors. The apostrophe can go before the S, after the S. Then there's the problem of singular words that end in S, and plurals that don't, or whether it's needed at all. In fact, you can forget all these problems and the rules that go with them. There is only one rule you'll ever need to get the apostrophe right: the owner's circle. To work out where the apostrophe goes, take these two simple steps. Identify what's owned and circle the owner. The apostrophe is placed on the circle. So the pay is owned by the managers. The apostrophe goes on the circle. The car is owned by James. Circle, apostrophe. The centre is used by the children. Circle, apostrophe. It even works for acronyms. The advice given by my GP. Circle, apostrophe. The training is owned by GPs. Circle, apostrophe. The apostrophe is also used to show where letters are missing, when 2 or 3 words have been joined. Usually it's only its that causes a problem. If you can replace its with it is not possible, or it has been recommended, then you need an apostrophe. No, you can't say it is cover is missing or it has cover is missing, so don't use an apostrophe. So there you are. The most dreaded of the punctuation marks is really no problem, provided you know the owner's circle rule. Check out the other short videos for help with all the punctuation marks. You're welcome to share this on any social media platform.